episode. I'm here with that. I'm here. I have bad news, but Become a nextbot removed the flopa, which I do really love the flopa more, but I guess they remove it. Now I'm depressed. Now I have to move on this DJ cat, which I don't really know their name. And now, why is there four? We are now 4 cats. 4 DJ cats in a row. That's right. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Hi. I did not mean to kill the bacon. Bacon boy. It's peanut butter, bacon boy. Bacon boy. It's peanut butter, bacon boy. It's peanut butter, bacon boy. Peanut butter, bacon boy. Yeah. It's peanut butter, bacon boy. Oh my God! I can't believe I survived that. Haha. All right. And I should do a age reveal, and my age is actually 7. Alright, you all know that. Hey, what the hey, get over here, you son of a bitch! Dumb bitch! Yes! Get over here, lad. Oh my God, there is 4 cats, guys! Bacon boy! Oh wait, that's not a bacon. Aha, there's a blue bacon. Go get him, my wife. Or maybe my brother. Or my wife or brother. Oh yes! 4 cats in a row. 4 cats in a row. Yes! We have now assembled the 4 cat team. No, you're not going anywhere, you son of a... Yes! Other nextbots! Yes! We're now ready! Ha ha ha! Meow. What was that under there? Wee. I have glitch fluid on map. Oh, there's only 4 of us now. Oh yeah, we're only 4 teams. I think we got 5 cats now. 5 cat nextbot. Hold up. 5 cats, but they're nextbots. I think there are 4 or 5 nextbots. Cat nextbots. The other nextbots. We don't talk about the other nextbots. Lola. Oh my god, is that my wife? Oh my god. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, pink boy. You know what? I don't have a wife. I'm a cat. Get over here, you stupid idiot. Stupid. Get over here, you stupid motherfucking. Get over here, you son of a. Yes! My neck. Get over here, you son of a stupid bitch. I'm putting a dumbass freaking. Yes! NASA! Here. Oh, that leads to the void. Oh, I know what you're going. You see? They removed the flopper. I missed the flopper. Alright, now let's go. Wait, do we have 5? We have 5 cats. We have 5 cat nextbots, right, guys? Isn't that amazing? Haha. There's one that is a pink cat, and the 2 that is me, and that cat it is 3 cat that it looks like my brother, and this is a 4 cat that looks